everyone, today I would like to show you our study case downtown hotel. Before going any further, I will show you our member, fellen Tannisia, Dea Permatasari, Patricia, and me, Sinclaryn. From the point of view from the neighborhood, it might be not attractive as a hotel for the first time was constructed, but as we see, there's potential to grow the hotel industry. From what we know, guests come in all shapes, size, personalities, ethnics, and backgrounds. When foreigners know what kind of guests that will visit the downtown, that was the key to attract the guests. That's why it is important the ability of being worldwide concept hotel that make guests feel comfortable and nicely happy in the hotel. For example, multifunctional hotels are option for foreigners to attract guests. What guests need is a foreigner's opportunity to increase their rating and be such a provider to all guests. As I say, satisfied customers are important. And don't forget, interior and exterior are the first thing that customer will catch an eye for. A cozy hotel will bring a nice vibe to our customer as well. Guests feel not safe? Yep, because the design of the hotel might be very odd and old school to visit. That's why Farmers has to change the design of the hotel to be a brand new design to attract new tourists to the hotel. And Farmers must replace consistency in service to create a safe and healthy and comfortable environment. Indeed, the survey must be worth of the design. Excellent design creates amazed eyes, but good service creates safe and comfortable guests, of course. Farmers has to keep consistency of the industry for not losing any guests and rip off all the negative issues. And don't forget the attitude for all the staff. Being nice and polite with all our guests so our guests feel comfortable and have a positive comments. Mouth to mouth is the best way to improve the quality of the hotels. Next, this is the best part of talking about living in a modern area or era. Firms should have to improve the technology of the hotel. That might help our guests to reach out the staff and practically easy. Technology is the point of being cozy and comforting hotel. The example, farmers might add virtual assistants such as Google Room for room service that get easier nowadays for our customer. Last but not least, changing the name. Changing the name of the hotel help reduce the negativity from the neighborhood that comes from an old perspective. That's why changing names give a new attraction to some old or even new people in the downtown. It is like pulling away the old bad memory stick of the old hotels and make it have brand new vibes. For all my statement, it is a good option that farmers done for being such a braver to build the old hotel to victory. That's all. What can I say? May God bless you and have a nice day.